Hi, fourth graders. Welcome to the last Doodles with Bitmoji for this week. I hope you've been having fun drawing your different monster characters, giving them some different ferocious monster-like character traits, and thinking about how you can fit them into a story. Next time when we get together for Doodles with Bitmoji, we're going to be drawing some different characters, but we're going to be incorporating different settings as well. So we're going to actually start drawing our characters in different settings. And so then that's a way to start developing your story differently. Maybe it's a new story, or maybe you're still using the same characters and expanding on the story that you've already begun. But let's get started with today's doodle. So just like we've been starting most of the other days, your first step is to very simply draw a circle on your page. Step 2 is to draw a head, add kind of some furry bits that are popping out along the top and maybe along the side, and then add 2 circles for eyes above the original circle that you had drawn. Step 3 is to draw a mouth. I drew a big, wide, smiling mouth. Remember, the way that you draw your characters gives you some clues on some of the character traits you're going to give them. Also, draw the rest of the body. You can add those furry bits and draw his feet or her feet. Step 4 is to add some teeth and some arms. This monster looks like he's about to give you a big, giant hug. Then add in some details. Make the nose, the eyes, the tongue, maybe some wavy bits around the arms to show that they're in motion. You can add some little lines to identify the fur on the monster. And once you finish coloring and putting any last details on your monster, please give your character a name and identify 3 character traits. Thanks for joining me in Doodles with Bitmoji. I hope you've had a good week. I hope your story's coming together, and have a great weekend. We'll see you next week. Lots of love, Mo, also known as Miss Holmes.